From letters to numbers, from the space to the sea, it's time to discover the pre-K possibilities.
I want to be a scientist. I want to be a teacher. I want to be an actor.
As little learners enter the classroom for the first time with big dreams, Get Set for School, the new and complete pre-K program from Learning Without Tears, helps them explore, learn, and build a foundation for success. Through music and movement and puzzles and play, Get Set for School brings the genius of making learning and teaching simple and fun to every child and educator. Imagine all of the possibilities in your classroom with expert-backed pre-writing, social-emotional, and interactive instruction, developmentally appropriate lessons that break difficult concepts into simple tasks, hands-on multisensory materials that bring learning to life, and research-based cross-curricular strategies. With the right tools for a strong foundation, Get Set for School increases the educational possibilities to prepare pre-K children for kindergarten and all of the readiness, writing, social-emotional, math, science, and social studies lessons ahead. So let's play, sing, and write our ABCs. It's time to discover all of the pre-K possibilities. Increase the pre-K possibilities with the new Get Set for School program. Contact us for more information.